Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the camera app and selecting photo mode. Make sure the live photo icon is yellow. That indicates live is on. Tap it if not. You want to hold the phone steady and frame your subject so motion and context fit inside the frame. Once done, press the shutter once and avoid moving the device abruptly. Live captures 5 seconds before and after to create motion and sound, so steady timing ensures a useful short clip. Next, open the photo you just took and tap Edit to access live controls. You'll see a frame strip. Drag it to choose the exact key photo you want shown as the still. Use the trim handles to shorten the captured 5-second segments before or after the keyframe. This reduces clutter and focuses the motion. Once trimmed, swipe up to apply effects like loop, bounce, or long exposure to emphasize movement, or create a smooth animation. Finally, share or save your live photo. Use the share sheet to send it as a live photo or export as a video for platforms that do not support live. Make sure live photo remains enabled in camera settings if you want continued captures, but turn it off when you need to save storage. If your live output looks static or contains no motion, check the live toggle off and on, then retake, ensuring you hold steady and capture clear motion within the 5-second window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.